Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Join my creative journey.